These profiles are a simple and effective option for the installation of porcelain tiles or stoneware. They offer many advantages. First, when installed outdoors, the profiles prevent weeds from growing, but allow water to drain. Secondly, they provide a stable support so the tiles don't move or wobble. And thirdly, some profiles protect the tiles from chipping and the joints from warping. In addition, some profiles protect against injury, as some tiles have sharp edges. It's much easier to install profiles than to file the edges, and in terms of design, it's often a better option. And of course, these profiles allow for a clean and attractive joint between tiles and other materials. According to experts, urban greening increases the happiness index of city dwellers. While it seems simple, there are some issues that need to be addressed. For instance, in 2018, Europe's abnormal heat wave destroyed about 30% of the trees planted in the last 4 years. This is why alternatives like these green roofs are needed. They can be installed at angles of up to 45 degrees and consist of several layers, including a drainage layer. One option is 110 mm thick, and there are no restrictions on the type of roofing material. The plants handle winter well and provide not only fresh air but also additional sound insulation. Moreover, the green roof will protect the main roof, prolonging its lifespan by 2 to 3 times. The investment can be recovered in 8 to 21 years, according to the manufacturer. Lastly, solar panels can be easily installed on top of the green roof. Have you ever seen the surface of modern playgrounds? Here we have its evolution. Usually, manufacturers use special granules plus polyurethane resins or lay prefabricated tiles, but in this case, grids are used. They are flexible and adapt very well to uneven terrain. They also allow grass to be planted, which is very important in cities with a shortage of green areas. The grids are 45 or 65 mm thick, and each cell side measures 1 meter. According to the manufacturer, swings and slides can be installed on top without any problems. Rainwater doesn't accumulate in a playground with this surfacing. It's also comfortable to move around, even with a stroller, and the risk of soil erosion is slightly reduced. Last year, a group of scientists conducted a study and discovered a surprising fact. The shape of a city affects the amount of rainfall in it. In round cities, it rains more often and more heavily, while in square and triangular cities, it rains less. And while you're looking for a map of your city, manufacturers suggest that you prepare for the whims of nature and improve your drainage system. On the screen, you can see several options. Amerimax features a low-profile neutral design that makes the system easily adaptable to almost any area. The flexible hose speeds up installation. It's 2.4 meters long in one version and priced at $25. Storm Drain is designed for more demanding conditions and is able to not only drain but also collect water. One version holds 19 liters, has a debris filtration system, and is made of commercial-grade polypropylene. The price is $77. The creators of the Liftsol system offer a solution to bring your terrace to the highest level, and they have a secret weapon. No concrete is required. Here's how it works. Foundation screws are driven into the ground, then supplemented with spacers to create a stable base for your terrace or pergola. You can work in any weather and on any type of soil. In addition, the construction will generate less debris and excess soil will not need to be removed. Not only wood, but also tiles can be used. For the tiles, there's a special support system that allows tiles of any size to be installed. For those who are still concerned about durability, the manufacturer has great news. The system is compatible with fast-drying concrete. The price is available upon request. Can a person build a compact house in just a week? The creators of these blocks think so. Now let's talk about the advantages. You can work without a foundation. One block weighs 4 to 7 kilograms. The block exceeds the compressive and flexural strength of ordinary bricks, and they are breathable. The final dimensions of this house are 4.8 by 3.6 by 3.8 meters. It was built as a meditation studio. However, it could easily be converted into an actual house for 2 people. The material not only offers thermal and acoustic efficiency, but also avoids problems with thermal bridges. This will probably be the construction format of the future, writes one viewer. What are your thoughts? Next, let's see how a 3-meter foam concrete block is created. Compared to aerated concrete, foam concrete has a major advantage: ease of production. It can be produced directly on the construction site by mixing the concrete with a special foam. Additionally, foam concrete is highly resistant to moisture, meaning that it doesn't require waterproofing during construction shutdowns. Its versatility is not inferior to similar products. It's suitable for the repair of roads and bridges, soil stabilization, and housing construction. In addition, modern systems for the production of foam concrete are quite compact. For example, the MyDOS pump weighs 41 to 58 kilograms and offers a pressure of 12 bars and a speed of up to 283 liters per hour. Did you know that many French highways are built, managed, and maintained by private companies? And if they want more profit, they must act quickly. This system, called Terra-Lock, speeds up and simplifies slope reinforcement work. It eliminates the need for heavy machinery and reduces the strain on the workforce. Instead, workers simply make a sandwich of geotextiles, steel mesh, and other necessary materials, and secure it with anchors. The end result is a stable slope that minimizes slippage and subsidence, even on steep terrain, without interfering with the natural vegetation that serves as reinforcement. Not only is this method aesthetically pleasing, but it's also highly reliable. The anchors can withstand loads of up to 32.5 kilonewtons. Let's visit Max Frank, a company that's been manufacturing products for concrete and reinforced concrete structures for more than half a century. On the screen, you can see a solution for a more secure connection of such structures, in particular to better withstand vertical and horizontal loads. Buildings are subjected to various forces, such as temperature fluctuations, shear, tensile, and compressive forces occur, which can have disastrous consequences for poorly constructed buildings. Max Frank's solution makes it possible to create notched joints, which can help the building withstand these stresses without problems. It's suitable for 8, 10, and 12mm reinforcing bars. If there isn't a suitable option available in the catalogue, the company can manufacture a custom solution in the shortest possible time. Sheep's wool is not only warm, but also has passive air filtering properties. In addition, it's a breathable, self-extinguishing material that only ignites at temperatures of about 580 degrees Celsius. This makes it an ideal candidate for insulation, and you can see one option on your screen. These experts have chosen a blown-in insulation method, which is so easy to work with that it doesn't even require special clothing. In addition, the wool is treated to protect it from insects, while it perfectly suppresses mold and mildew on its own. But the manufacturer went even further by selecting the perfect breed of sheep and patenting the production process. As a result, a 14-kilogram bag of this insulation costs $180. We couldn't have a selection of construction products without formwork, could we? Let's take a look at some options from the international company Doka, which supplies more than 60 countries around the world. The company offers a range of solutions, including the Frami Eco frame formwork. It can be installed without a crane and is perfect for foundations, walls, and columns. The modular grid system offers elements from 1.2 to 3 meters high and 30 to 90 centimeters wide for optimal adjustment. And the Doka Deck 30 panel formwork. The panels are available in only two sizes, 2.4 by 1.2 meters or 2.4 by 0.8 meters. Only 2 people are needed to install it, and the job can be done without cranes or ladders. Let's talk about the legacy of innovative steel solutions, more precisely about the YieldLink bolted joint system. This system offers several advantages that make it stand out. Easy integration with customer software for pre-calculation, resistance to seismic events, which means no additional bracing is required, and it's time efficient, particularly in welding. This is also useful given the shortage of welders in many countries, including the United States. In addition, the YieldLink elements are easily replaceable, allowing for easier and more economical repair after natural disasters. The connection has already been patented and documented by the American Institute of Steel Construction.